Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to describe a new picture. Let's begin our picture description practice in very simple sentences. And the title is Happy Winter Moments. This is a bright winter scene filled with joy and fun. The sky is clear with a few white clouds. Children are playing happily in the snow. A girl wearing a red coat and red hat is standing on the left. She is helping to build a snowman. The snowman is wearing a black hat and purple scarf. Another child wearing a purple jacket and gloves is helping her. They both look happy and excited. The snowman has a carrot nose and two stick arms. A cute brown dog is sitting near them, watching curiously. The dog seems very friendly and playful. On the right side, another girl is making a snow dog. She is wearing a red dress and red boots. A snow dog is wearing a red hat just like the girl. Both look adorable in the snow. Behind the fence, a boy in a purple jacket and red hat is smiling. He is watching his friends play. A shovel and sled are resting near the wooden fence. Snow is piled up on the fence top. There is a red car parked behind the snowman. The car is partly covered in snow. A boy in the background is sledding down a small hill. He looks like he is having a great time. Behind him, tall pine trees are covered with snow. A pink house with a sloping roof stands near the trees. Smoke is coming out of the chimney. A brown squirrel is sitting on the rooftop of that house. It looks like the squirrel is watching the children play. Another house is visible on the left side, painted blue. Icicles are hanging from its roof. Snow has piled up near its windows. The scene looks very peaceful and cheerful. Everyone is wearing warm winter clothes. The children's hats have white pom-poms on top. The trees in the background have no leaves because it's winter. There is a lot of laughter and energy in the air. The snow shines brightly under the daylight. It's a perfect winter day for outdoor fun. The whole scene shows friendship, joy, and the beauty of winter. Questions and answers practice related to the picture. Question: what are the children doing in the picture? Answer is: the children are playing in the snow. Question: what are the two children building? Answer is: they are building a snowman. What is the snowman wearing? Answer is, the snowman is wearing a black hat and a purple scarf. Next question is, what is the girl on the right making? Answer is, she is making a snow dog. Next question, what color is the car in the picture? The car is red. Next question is, who is sitting near the snow dog? Answer is, a brown dog is sitting near the snow dog. What is the boy behind the fence doing? Answer is, he is watching his friends play. Next question is, what is the boy on the hill doing? Answer is, he is sledding down the hill. Next question, what animal is sitting on the roof? Answer, a squirrel is sitting on the roof. And the last question is, what season is shown in the picture? Answer, the season is winter. For more picture description, please like, share, subscribe to the channel.